Welcome back to BD Fish Cutting, the channel where you can watch traditional fish cutting techniques in a clean and professional way. Today's video is very special. In this video, we are going to cut a fresh Boal fish, also known as freshwater catfish. Boal fish is very popular for its soft meat, rich taste, and high nutritional value. So, without wasting any time, let's start the process step by step. First of all, we start by cleaning the Boal fish properly. Cleaning is the most important part of fish cutting. If the fish is not cleaned well, the taste and quality of the meat can be affected. Here, we wash the fish thoroughly with clean water. We remove all dirt, slime, and unwanted impurities from the body. Special attention is given to the belly area, because this part often holds extra waste and blood. We clean the fish again and again until the skin looks fresh and shiny. A clean fish always gives better cuts and better cooking results. At BD Fish Cutting, we always focus on cleanliness and hygiene, because clean cutting means quality cutting. Now, after cleaning the fish properly, we move to the next step, removing the skin. Boal fish has a thick and slippery skin, so this step needs experience and patience. Using a sharp knife, we carefully separate the skin from the flesh. Slow and steady movements are very important here. We make sure not to damage the meat while removing the skin. As you can see, the skin is pulled off smoothly, leaving clean and fresh fish flesh underneath. This step helps reduce the fishy smell, and also makes the fish easier to cut into perfect pieces. Traditional fish cutters know that. Proper skin removal improves both taste and presentation. Now comes the most satisfying part, cutting the fish with a boti. The boti is a traditional cutting tool, used in Bangladesh for generations. We place the cleaned and skinless Boal fish carefully on the cutting surface. With controlled pressure and accurate hand movement, we start cutting the fish into small, even pieces. Each cut is done smoothly and confidently. The goal is to make equal-sized pieces, so they cook evenly and look beautiful. You can hear the solid sound of the boti cutting through the fresh fish meat. This sound itself shows the freshness and quality of the fish. At BD Fish Cutting, we believe fish cutting is not just work, it's a skill and a tradition. After cutting, we check all the pieces one by one. Any extra waste or uneven parts are removed. Only clean, neat, and perfect fish pieces remain. These Boal fish pieces are now ready for cooking, whether it's curry, fry, or special traditional dishes. If you enjoyed watching this Boal fish cutting process, please like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to BD Fish Cutting for more traditional fish cutting videos. Let us know in the comments which fish cutting video you want to see next. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again with another satisfying fish cutting video, only on BD Fish Cutting.